Say please.
Please. Oh, that's his favorite nipple. It's the one he always grabs when I change him. He's like, why is everybody watching me?
Where's Rodney? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, where's Rodney? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! Here he is! Are you asleep? Oh yes. Where are you going? Get out of here. Oh. It's cooler in here. Just getting back in the pool. Uh-oh. There's Layla.
Yeah, this is definitely the splash zone right here.
I'm feeling it.
Like if someone were to go down that thing, we'd all get soaked. Or your mom's butt would at least.
My knees are wet.
Huh?
My knees are wet.
What is going on?
It's already
Are they making noise? You did it.
to my knees.
Oops. In the pie hole.
Come on. Get in there,
She
get
said pie
wet.
hole.
Who said that?
Sophie.
She said,
Pie hole. It's funny. Rodney, can you clap? Clap, 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 clap. You did it! Oops, my finger's on the... I'm the worst person behind the camera. Finger was there.
I always do.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's grass soup.
Take the cup. Hold it. Hold it.
I feel really itchy right now.